Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm going to share my 2-year-old's daily routine in this video. It's summer now, so he wakes up around 7 to 7:30. I've started preparing chai and his health drink. First thing in the morning, I make sure that I give him some water to drink. He loves his brushing activity. I ensure that I clean his teeth with my hands and then I give the brush to him for him to do it on his own. More than brushing, he loves playing with the water and with his brush. It's time for his health drink. He likes to have it on his own. If he doesn't finish, I try to make him drink it fully. Then he starts playing with his toys and I start getting him ready for the bath. I give him bath by 9 o'clock in the morning. He gets his toys and gives them bath. We have started using Mama's dusting powder as it's summer. After getting him ready, I start preparing breakfast. I prepared vegetable upma for breakfast today. I'm going to offer it along with some fruits. Just drizzling some ghee on it. During his meal times, he watches cartoons on the TV. The screen time is unavoidable because this helps me engage him throughout the meal. He has a cup of milk after breakfast and then he starts playing again. He does a lot of pretend play these days and slowly he started playing on his own as well. I try to give him his first snack at around 11:30ish, which is normally some fruits or some raw vegetables which are cut like cucumber or carrots. Previously, we were to play with him all the time, but Off late, he started playing for longer periods and on his own. So we don't have to keep engaging him all the time. He's not started speaking in sentences, but there's a lot of gibberish going on right now, which is really fun to listen to. So now it's time for his first nap, or I should say it's the only nap, because of late he started sleeping only once during the daytime. But it so happens that during 1 week, probably a couple of days, he takes 2 naps. Otherwise, it's just restricted to one. He sleeps for around 1.5 to 2 hours, and this is the best time I get to finish off my chores and also prepare the lunch. Prepared some cabbage sabji, moong dal, and boiled eggs for lunch today. And there he is woken up, all fresh and ready to play again. We got this new fruit and vegetable set. It is very interesting for him as well as educational. I try to teach him the names of vegetables and fruits, and also colors I try to teach him through this. It's his current favorite. If you're interested, you can check out the link below, which I've shared in the description. Gonna serve him lunch now. Stopped giving him bland food after one. I started introducing a little bit of chili and peppers into his food, and nowadays I make sure that we all eat the same food. There's no separate cooking for him. He's a slow eater, and it takes at least 35 to 40 minutes for him to finish his meal. He doesn't prefer yogurt as such, but after lunch every day he drinks a cup or half a cup of buttermilk. We have set up a play area in our balcony where we have kept all his toys and the slide. It's a nice physical activity for him in the evenings. I'm planning to bake some French fries for evening snacks. It's a simple, easy to make, and a nourishing snack. Along with the snack, I gave him a cup of milk, which he did not finish. He had it halfway, and I didn't force him to complete. As it's very humid these days, I give him a bath in the evenings as well. He sits in the bucket and I let him play for 10 to 15 minutes. After his bath, he started playing. He's riding his bike, which is one of his favorite activities. This is a battery operated ride-on which he got as a gift for his second birthday. He's got a whiteboard which has a magnetic part in the front and a blackboard behind where you can use chalk piece. Basically the magnetic part he uses for identifying the alphabets and numbers. It's very useful for the pre-learning for the kids. For the dinner, I made 2 fulkas and made some paneer bhurji and gave it to him with the dal which was left over from the afternoon. He had around 1.5 chapatis. There are days when he finishes both the chapatis and there are days when he has just one. So I just don't force him to finish the food. Around 9 o'clock, I start his night routine. I brush his teeth, wash him up, change his diapers, change his dress if required, and then bring him to the bed. At times, I read him a book, or he plays with his dad for some time before sleeping, and then around 10 to 10:30, he sleeps. Alright folks, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and do let me know if you have any queries or suggestions in the comments section.